committed unto him against that day. Know that when my Lord may come, that night or no day fail, nor if I walk the prayer with him, or meet him in the air. But I know whom I have believed, and I'm persuaded that he is able to keep that which I'm committed unto him against that day.
So magkaroon ng sa ito para sa form of subscription. Pero ang mga blanco, tayo ko na yung masabat. Kaya hindi ako na ang informe. Sige, magkabasa kita. I,
Pastor Julie Tumawag,
office,
Minister of the Word, Dr. Granada Christian Reformed Church, declare before God and before the church that I completely acknowledge Christ as head of our church, subject myself to the Word of God, believe in our approved report reads as true interpretation of the Word, and uphold that all things are to be done decently and in order. That, empowered by the Spirit, I shall strive to faithfully undertake my responsibility as an office bearer in support of the goals and programs of my local church and denomination. I shall do so in keeping with regulation and standard set by our denomination. By the grace of God, I shall champion the vision and values of the Christian Reformed Church in the Philippines for the glory of God.
signed at Barangay Granada, Bacolod City on February 23, 2025. So, mapirma ka ni Pastor Juni, kaya base ka sa uli, mambabawala ko kapirma sa form of subscription. Sister Richard Man, sa Granada, Mr. Gens. So may ebidensya kami do.
Ang Isaiah ng isang klase sa Isaiah ka Granada. Sige, sasingit yun po, bayan ko man si Reverend Chris Kanyiti sa pagbasa sa Certificate of Ordination ni Pastor Reverend Chris.
Salamat sa opportunity makakita sa support. Before kasi mo naman pag-order sa Apple, kay may nag-message mo lang mo ito taga-Mars. And Reverend Junie C. Tumapo, having been examined by classes leaders North, according to the prescribed service, he is hereby admitted to the sacred ministry of the Word and the sacraments of the Christian Reformed Church in the Philippines on this 23rd day of February 2025 for the glory of God. Pastor Hitler,